Hey, as they say in Swedish, my name is Lily, and 2 years ago I was exactly in your shoes. I was an international student coming here from my master's program, and now I'm the president of the Student Union. As you've heard from my predecessor, there are a great variety of things we offer to support you, but we also do offer many things for our members to socialize. For instance, we have soup lunch, we have student breakfasts, you can come hang out with us in the student pub and grab a cheap beer. We also offer free coffee once a month in the faculties, and we take care that your semester starts in the best way possible with a great introduction week. Unfortunately, this has to happen digitally this semester, but we're looking forward to seeing you in the spring physically. You also can become a member in one of our many associations and get active there, and they cover a lot of interests from foreign affairs to ballroom dancing. You're interested in it, we got it. Also, you can get engaged in your education through us by becoming a student representative for your course or program. If there's anything more you want to know or get updated on what events are happening, please visit our website or social media channels. Hej då!